Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I am cash stuffing utilizing free saving challenges that I receive right here off of YouTube. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you decide to stay until the end. Hi, Bestie. If you're new to my page, thank you for joining me. I'm so glad you decided to come with me with this cash stuffing, utilizing free saving challenges that I got right here off of YouTube with fellow cash stuffers. If you've been here before, thank you so much for returning. Let's go ahead and get started. I do have a few new ones, so let's check them out. So this past Saturday, I was able to go back to the bank and get additional $2 for this savings challenge, and I cannot wait. I always look forward to doing the saving challenges with friends right here on YouTube. And over the weekend, I did find this collaboration that Boosting Budget started, the road to 300, and that's with Moet Money and Motivation and Money Boss in the making. So make sure you check them out. I will definitely leave all of their links in the description, so make sure you go out to support them, subscribe to them. Also, get the saving challenge and join in with saving with friends, rolling the dice, and just saving money and making it fun and just supporting each other. So make sure you check all of them out as well. And as usual, I'll make sure with all the saving challenges that utilizing to include their links as well. So make sure you support everybody, okay? Okay. So I hope you're doing okay and that you're having an awesome day. And hopefully this video will motivate you, encourage you to continue to saving, to reach towards whatever saving goals that you establish for yourself. Sorry. But let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to go back to the first set of saving challenges that I started on when I started the journey of doing the savings with friends, utilizing dice. And this is the first 5 challenges I started. Well, one of them is new because I did finish one prior at another cash stuffing setting. So we're going to work on these and see who can get some money. So hopefully all the saving challenges that I'm working on today, that everybody can get something added to their cash envelope. So let's go ahead and get this set up and started, and let's join in the fun of saving with friends. All right, let's begin. First up, Dreamy Budgets, number 4. Let's see who's gonna get the next $2. Boosts and Budgets. Dreamy Budgets again. Dreamy Budgets again. And Needs Budgets. Drip by E. Drip by E again. Needs Budget. Come on now, we need some for Moet. Dreamy Budgets again. Come on now. Come on, give us a number 5. Yes, finally Moet got some, so everybody's getting something. Drip by E. Dreamy Budgets again. Dreamy getting all the money. Dreamy Budgets again. Dreamy Budgets again and again and again. Lord. Dreamy Budgets again. Come on now. Who else getting some money? Boosts and Budgets. Come on, baby. Dreamy Budgets again. Dreamy getting all the money. Dreamy Budgets again. Dreamy Budgets again. Alright, that's it for right now. Let's go ahead and see how much we're gonna cash stuff for each savings challenge and from all the YouTube friends Saving challenges that they provided free. And once again, check the description so you can get some freebies as well. So for boosting budget, I was able to save $4. So I might end up able to finish her challenge the next time I do saving with friends. So we shall see. So next savings challenge is Drip by E, and I was able to save $6. And with the increments on her particular saving challenge, it's $1 per cloud. So I would need to shade in 6 spaces on this savings challenge. Next saving challenges needs budget, and I was able to save $4. So the next one up is Dreamer Budgets. Our girl, she got all the money. Let's count that up. So she got all the money, and we only need 4. Only need 4 to complete her challenge. So the rest, I will do another cash stuffing and rolling the dice. So baby, I have completed Dreamy Budgets challenge. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. I don't have a bell, so I gotta make some noises. Ding 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 ding. I completed the challenge. So I haven't decided where I'm gonna allocate this money to yet, but eventually I will, and I'll make sure to notate that and place it in a video as well. So this is the second challenge I've completed with playing with friends. So I'm excited about that. Another one down. Another one bites the dust. I'm done. So let's go ahead and see how much I save altogether with Dreaming Budgets Challenge. So it has 12 icons, and 12 times 2 is definitely 24. So let's go ahead and count this money up to make sure that's what I have. So it's definitely $24. So now I just gotta figure out where I want to allocate it to, because I'm not sure where I want to place it. It could go to insurance. It could go to a lot of things, but I will decide on that later. So next up is Moet Monies and Motivation, and I was able to save $2 today with her challenge. So with the monies that I had left over from Dreamy Budget, we're gonna go ahead and do cash stuffing again with the 4 saving challenges that I have left. So hopefully I can finish another challenge, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So I only have 4, and if I get 5 or 6, I'm gonna have to roll again. So first up, my weight get $2. Let's see who's gonna get some money. Next up, Drip by E. Boots and Budget. Need budget, so at least everybody got something. Drip by E. Needs budget. Moet. And that's it. So everybody got something. And so let's see if I was able to finish a few of these challenges this go round. Okay, so I was able to save an additional $2 for boots and budget. So hopefully next time when I play, I will be able to finish her challenge. So next up is Drift by E, and I was able to save an additional $4. Okay, next up is Nee's Budget Savings Challenge. And remember, guys, their links are in the description, so if you're interested in these saving challenges, check them out. And I was able to save an additional $4, which means I've completed another savings challenge. I'm excited, guys, because I completed another challenge. This is the third challenge I've completed since I've started Savings with Friends. I am excited. I do not have a bell, but I did order one, so hopefully next time I do Savings with Friends or any type of saving challenge that I'm working on, that you will hear me tap an actual bell. So I was able to save $32. Yay! Excited, thrilled that I was able to finish another challenge, but also to save some additional funds. I haven't decided on where I'll be allocating this one to, but I will decide eventually, and then I will add it to the particular sinking funds. So the next saving challenge is Moet, and I was able to save additional $4. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Toodles!